Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will create these kind of beautiful earrings. They are made of Czech seed beads size 10-0, hoop and threads. First of all, take a needle and a thread, 5 colors of seed beads. I took bright colors. We will need around 2 meters of the thread. And let's start. Take our hoop, and first of all we will need to secure our thread. Go around our hoop this way. Then make a knot. Leave a tail. Take one seed bead. First of all, we have to make first row, as you can see, like here, and then we will make a fringe. Take one seed bead this way, go around our hoop with the thread around, and then enter through the same seed bead from the bottom and pull. Take another seed bead. I have here another color. Go around the hoop, hold it, the thread and the seed bead that is on the place, and enter to the same seed bead from the bottom and hold, and then pull this way. I'll put in the for the beginning here. My beginning will be here. Then another color of the seed bead around. It's very important to hold seed bead around, enter from the bottom. And last seed bead, I will have in total 11 seed beads on this row and 11 strands. Now we will start with the fringe. Fringe will be very easy. What we need to do is we start with one color, 2 seed beads, another color, 2 seed beads, another color, 2 seed beads. We take all the time 2 seed beads, but every next row you start with seed bead which is same row, same color of your first seed bead. Every next strand will be 2 seed beads more till we get till here. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 8. Here will be 26 seed beads in one strand, and then we go back 24, 22, and 20. We start with 12 seed beads on our first strand, like here. And we take every color 2 seed beads for our first strand. Our first strand, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Skip 1 seed bead and enter through all of the other seed beads till the top. Don't pull. Don't pull too hard, it should stay flexible. Give it a bit more space. And enter into the next seed bead, which is in my case purple. And here we will start with 2 purple, 1, 2, and we repeat same colors, but this time we started with purple. Purple, then 2 aquamarine color, then light blue, silver. Always you take 2 seed beads, then transparent purple, blue, purple, and we finish this fringe with aquamarine. Skip 1 and all the way up enter into our first seed bead and pull. Enter into the third seed bead and repeat the same. 2 seed beads of the same color of our third seed bead. It's in my case it is transparent blue and purple. Then repeat pattern of our previous row. 2 purple, 2 aquamarine, then light blue, silver, transparent purple and blue, purple, and aquamarine. Skip 1 and pass through the all seed beads till the top. Enter to our third seed bead, which is attached to our hoop, and pull. Enter into the seed bead number 4. And make a fringe. This time we start with silver and we repeat pattern of our previous strand. When you start to decrease your amount of seed beads, you will need to count. For example, here I have 22. My next color would be purple and only then aquamarine, but I will do straight away aquamarine here to make it nice and beautiful ending of each strand. And another thing what you have to know, that on the strand number 7 here I added one more extra aquamarine color seed bead to make our wave more beautiful. And we continue. So when I start to decrease amount, I always add 2 last seed beads of aquamarine color. I have finished my last strand. My thread is going out from the top bead, and now I will show you how to end our creation. Make a knot with the tail. I made a knot, and as you can see, 2 meters of the threads, it's a bit too much. You can take 1 meter or 1.5 meters. It all depends how long is your fringe. So we have made a knot from our 2 threads, and now we'll have to hide our threads inside our creation. With our needle we pass to the next seed bead, which is on the top. We will weave our thread to the middle, go around one of the threads and make a knot. Pull, one more small knot here around the thread, this way around the thread and inside the loop. Pull, and then I will pass into the next seed bead from the top. Again in the same seed bead I will make like a round. I will go through 2 seed beads which is next to each other. That's why it's better to take shorter thread. It will be easier for you to work. Pull and cut the thread. Same way I will hide my tail. Our earrings are ready. Please comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and have a lovely day. Bye!